Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best printer you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. There is a wide range of decent printer on the market that can handle everything from basic document printing for homework assignment to high quality photo printing for frameable portraits, as well as scanning, copying and even faxing. The best printer is one with printing options that are appropriate for your needs. So we have compiled a list of the top 3 most effective printers. This list is based on my personal opinion and researches and listed them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Canon TR8620. It's fantastic for pupils. The Canon TR8620 is a color all-in-one printer with a flat bed scanner and an automatic document feeder. The Canon TR8620 is an entry-level multifunction inkjet printer designed primarily for home and small business use. Its measurements are 17.3 by 7.5 by 13.8 inches and it weighs roughly 17.5 pounds. It includes an automatic document feeder with a 20-page feeding capacity, so you don't have to manually feed each page. The Canon TR8620 sports a power button and a few status LED on its 4.3-inch color LCD touchscreen control panel. Pros of Canon TR8620: 2 paper input trays, automatic document feeder, has a 20-sheet capacity and SD card support. Cons of Canon TR8620: high running cost and slow printing speed. On number 2, HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E. Designed specifically for low to medium level tasks in small work group and offices, the HP OfficeJet Pro 1950 is 10.9 by 17.3 by 13.5 inches and weighs roughly 20 pounds. It includes a 35-sheet capacity automatic document feeder which eliminates the need to manually feed each page. There are no sporting button or navigation key on the printer's 2.7-inch touchscreen. Pros of HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E: 2.7 touchscreen, high ink yield, speedy print. Cons of HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E: no SD card slot and it's loud. On number 1, Brother MFC J995DW. The Brother MFC J995DW is an all-in-one inkjet printer with a cheap cost per page that is good choice for most tasks. This mode is primarily intended for use by small businesses and home offices, and it offers a low cost per page. Its automatic document feeding capacity of only 20 sheets is insufficient for large businesses. It has a 2.7 inches touchscreen that is 45 degrees slanted upwards, making it simple to use. In addition to the control panel, the printer has an SD card slot and a USB memory connector for printing and scanning to a memory card or USB. Pros of Brother MFC J995DW: 2.7 touchscreen, SD card slot and USB port. Very low cost per page. Cons of Brother MFC J995DW: mediocre color photo scan. So guys, this was the video about the best printer in the market. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.